Hi friends.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to a Throw It Out Thursday video. Woo! We are going to be decluttering my spice cabinet. It is full of spices that I don't use. Probably some that are expired. Yeah. And it's in the way of the spices that I could be using that I forgot that I have. So right now we are going to declutter that, reorganize it, and live a less stressfully messed up life when it comes to spices. All right, guys, let's get, oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. Let's get to decluttering.
Another chance, loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair, girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I want you? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new.
Put it in the garbage for mommy. In the garbage. Throw it away. Good job. Yay!
Yay!
Baby. There you go. All of the seasonings that were in that cupboard. It's a lot. Like these are stuff from like Pizza Hut. Just throw those away because we have red pepper right here for that. But yeah, this is all of it that's in there. That's crazy. These are really cool because when I worked for Tupperware and I sold Tupperware, I got these. I think I got them with my starter kit. And I can just put some, these are like seasoning boxes, so that's pretty cool. Ah! It's hard to do that when I'm watching the camera while I'm doing that. But yeah, there's all of this. This is almost out, but I do want to keep it because I still have some of it, and I do use that more than I use anything else for oil, for cooking oil. But this is what, it is now empty, but it needs to be cleaned up. It's pretty gross in there. So I'm going to clean it up really quick, sort through these to see what is expired, if there is anything expired, and I'm going to look at it and see, do I want it? Do I use it? Could I give it to somebody that could use it? Or could I just throw it away? So yeah, I'm going to do that right now.
Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. You're smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair, girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I want you? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. You're smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I want
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single. Oh, we won't do mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of.
Guys, so this looks so much better now. What I did is I got this from a yard sale, so I put this in here. I've always wanted one like this for my seasonings. I put everything in here that like biggest to smallest, and what's really actually cool is that the things in the front are the ones that expire the soonest, so I can keep an eye on that better. I have a little thing of baking soda right here, and then I have my tall things over here, like my butter cooking spray back there, and then my tall pink Himalayan pink salt right there. I have my extra little Tupperware seasoning boxes back there, and then I have all of these tall big seasonings that I use quite frequently and that are not expired yet. I have them up here, and then I have my cooking oil over here. So it actually looks really so much better now. I'm so glad. I'm actually not going to use this pink basket now because I don't need to. I can use this for something else to help with organizing, but I think this looks so much better.
I love playing.
All right, you guys, what he's trying to say is we are so glad we got that fixed. We got that all decluttered, got rid of stuff we're not using. We're so happy that it is stress-free when I open the doors, and I can see the spices that I can use that I haven't been using that are not expired yet, and it's just, I don't know, just much more easier to maintain. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and coming along with us to declutter my spice cabinet. I hope you have enjoyed and hope it was motivating for you. Stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hi, friends. Welcome to a Throw It Out Thursday video. That's what he's trying to say. We are going to be decluttering my spice cabinet. I have so many spices that I don't use that are probably expired. Yeah, that are probably very expired. Well, not very expired, but maybe expired. And then also things it's just taking up so much space. It's so unorganized, and I'm missing out. I'm missing out on the spices that I could use. You done now? Can mommy talk?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Blah blah blah.
Blah blah
Blah blah.
blah blah.
Oh God.
You're so cute. You are so sweet.
Blah blah blah. Blah blah.
All right, we're gonna try this again.